Hi everyone, this is Vidisha Sen. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is how you can decorate your walls with ceramic plates. See, painting on a plate is very easy, but the tough part comes when you have to hang it on wall. I have a tricks which make my holder as strong as rock. At the end of this video, I am sharing how you can hold a ceramic plate on wall. So please watch till the end. First, on a ceramic plate, I am drawing a design with a black marker pen. Then I am using an acrylic color named Classic. In this painting, I am using only 3 colors, which are blue, white and black. And it's done. Take a ceramic plate. There I will stick the holder. And for this process you need water, a holder, M-seal and an old knife. In the M-seal packet, you will get these 2 molds. One is hard and another is soft. You have to take same amount of these 2. Mix them very well. This process is little bit messy. Don't worry about your hands, you can wash it off easily. Now take the plate. Take the mixture and equally divide it in 2 parts. Take one part and place it carefully. Now take your holder and place on it. Now take your knife and with the help of its tip, you have to cut the excess very carefully. Now take another part and place it on holder. Dip your finger into water and make the surface smooth. Now cut the excess from the side and place the excess on the top to make it more strong. It's time to give it a good shape. And it's done. Leave it for 7 to 8 hours. And after that, it will become as strong as rock. I have made another 2 and I have applied the same process. Comment down below and let me know how it is. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. So see you in my next video. Bye.